Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add a video to an existing TikTok playlist. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so the YouTube algorithm can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So, adding a video to an existing playlist allows your viewers to find the specific video topics much quicker. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Next, tap on a video which you want to add to a playlist. Tap on the three dots at the right hand side. Then tap on Add to Playlist. If you already have a playlist set up, you will see this screen. Or else, you'll need to set up a new playlist. Select a playlist and then tap on Add. And that video will then be added to the playlist. And that is how to add an existing video to a TikTok playlist. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.